Hello everyone! Today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm Teacher Angie at your service. Our lesson for today is about subtraction of integers. Ano nga ba ang subtraction of integers? The operation of subtraction of integers can be defined in terms of addition. So to subtract b from a, add the additive inverse of b to a. Paano nga ba ito? So a minus b is equal to a plus negative b. So additive inverse means from subtraction, go to addition. And then kukunin natin ng opposite side ng b. So from positive to negative. In short, in subtracting integers, simply change the sign of the subtrahend. Then proceed to addition. Ito is pareho lang dito. So, a minus negative b is equal to a. So, from subtraction, proceed to addition plus, and then opposite sign ng negative magiging positive. Or, negative a minus b is equal to negative a, copy the minuend. From subtraction, proceed to addition, and then kunin natin ang opposite side ng subtrahend. So, from positive b to negative b. Example, find the difference of the following. For example, number 1, negative 64 minus 81. Solution. So, first, copy the minuend, which is negative 64. Tapos, subtraction sign, palitan ng addition sign. And then, yung ating subtrahend, palitan natin siya from positive to negative and then copy the number 81. Next, copy the common sign kasi nasa addition na tayo, negative sign, and then get the absolute value of 64 plus the absolute value of negative 81. Again, copy the negative sign and then absolute value of negative 64 is positive 64 plus the absolute value of negative 81 is 81. Then, of course, copy the sign negative and then 64 plus 81 is equal to 145. Example number 2, 45 minus negative 60. Of course, solution, copy the minuend, 45, and then yung minus sign, palitan natin ng addition sign, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So, from negative 60, magiging positive 60. And then, of course, proceed na tayo sa rules of addition. So, since both of them are positive, so our sign is positive. No need to write positive sign sa unahan. Okay? Automatic na po yun. Then, absolute value of 45 and plus absolute value of 60. So, absolute value of 45 is 45 plus the absolute value of 60 is 60. Then next, 45 plus 60 is equal to 105. So, our final answer is positive 105. Kung walang nakasulat na sign, that means positive. Practice. Subtract the following. For example, number 1 or letter A, 95 minus negative 48. So, solution, first copy our minuend, which is 95, and then from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So, negative 48 magiging positive 48. Next, of course, proceed tayo sa addition. So, ang common sign nila ay positive. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung positive, no need to write. Automatic na po yun. And then, get the absolute value of 95 plus the absolute value of 48. Absolute value ng 95 ay 95 plus absolute value ng 48 ay 48. So, the final answer is 143. Example, letter B, negative 32 minus negative 18. Of course, solution, copy the minuend, negative 32, and then from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend from negative 18 to positive 18. Then proceed to addition. Ang rules ng addition, so dito magkaiba ang sign, kaya ang sign natin ay negative. And then get the absolute value of negative 32 minus the absolute value of 18. Bakit minus sign tayo? Remember, ang rules ng addition of integers, kung magkaiba ang sign, subtract natin si mas maliit na number sa malaking number. Next step, copy negative sign and then absolute value of 32 minus absolute value of 18. Copy negative and then 32 minus 18 is 14. Therefore, the final answer is negative 14. Letter C, 27 minus 96. Of course, solution. First, copy the minuend, positive 27, from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend from positive 96 to negative 96. Next, proceed to addition. Since they have unlike signs, so copy the sign of the greater value, which is negative, kaya may negative tayo dito. And then, subtract their absolute value. So, kung mag-subtract tayo ng absolute value, mauuna yung big number. So, absolute value ng 96, negative, minus absolute value ng positive 27. Next, copy the negative sign and then absolute value ng negative 96 is positive 96 minus absolute value of positive 27 is 27. Next, copy the sign negative and then subtract 96 minus 27 is equal to 69. So the final answer is negative 69. Next, example, letter D, negative 95 minus negative 45. Solution, copy the first number or the minuend, which is negative 95, from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So from negative 45 to positive 45. Next step, proceed to addition. In adding unlike sign, copy the sign of the greater value, which is negative 95 ang mas malaki, kaya may negative tayo dito. And then, subtract their absolute value. Siyempre, kung mag-subtract tayo, mauuna ang big number. So, absolute value ng negative 95 minus absolute value ng positive 45. So, copy negative sign, huwag kalimutan. And then, absolute value ng negative 95 is equal to 95. Minus absolute value ng 45 is 45. Next, copy negative sign. 95 minus 45 is equal to 50. So the final answer is negative 50. Next example, letter E, 73 minus negative 25. Again, solution. Copy the minuend, positive 73, from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So, from negative 25 to positive 25. Next, since pareho silang positive, so, ang sign natin sa unan ay positive. Gaya ng sinasabi ko lagi na kung positive ang sign sa unahan, hindi na kailangang isulat pa. Automatic na yon. And then, get the absolute value ng 73 plus absolute value ng positive 25. So, 73 plus 25 is equal to 98. So this is our final answer. Next example, letter F, negative 56 minus positive 24. Solution, copy the first number or minuend, which is negative 56, from subtraction to addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So from positive 24 to negative 24. Then proceed to addition. In adding like sign, since pareho ng sign, kopyahin ang kanilang common sign, which is negative, and then add their absolute value. So, absolute value ng negative 56 plus absolute value ng negative 24. So, negative sign, and then absolute value ng negative 56 ay positive 56, plus absolute value ng negative 24 ay positive 24. And then, copy the sign, negative, and then 56 plus 24 is equal to 80. So the final answer is negative 80. That's all for today. I hope you learned from this video. Bye and see you again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Keep safe. Bye.